How to get boarding pass online. Flair Airlines 2025. Missing your boarding pass can turn a cheap flight into a stressful one. Most people get this wrong with Flair Airlines, but here's exactly how to get your boarding pass online in 2025. First, visit the Flair Airlines website or open the mobile app. Online check-in usually opens 24 hours before departure. Enter your booking reference and last name. Once logged in, follow the check-in steps carefully. Here's the surprising truth. Flair charges extra for airport services. If you don't check in online, you may pay more at the airport. After completing check-in, your boarding pass will appear on screen. You can download it, save it to your phone or print it. If you're traveling with carry-on only, you're ready to go straight to security. Most people get stuck because of baggage selection. Make sure your baggage options are confirmed during check-in. You won't believe how many delays happen simply because passengers didn't save their boarding pass properly. In 2025, digital boarding passes are accepted at most airports Flair serves. Getting your boarding pass online saves time and money. Subscribe for more airline tips that make budget travel smoother.